कई लोग सोचते हैं कैसे पता लगता है कौन सा बिजनेस शुरू करना है.
I can't. There are no shortcuts.
Yeah.
You can't jump a step. You have to go through the motion.
People say that there's a lot of value in getting a shark.
Getting a shark, I would say getting the right shark. I'm going to give you guys the biggest pearl of wisdom.
What did you do to create that perception कि मेरा brand एक premium luxury brand है?
So, couple of things.
Yeah.
I always knew that I was different. I used, as cliche as it sounds, I used to tell my mom कि I'll be very famous one day. There was a time in my life where Devanand actually offered me a movie role. What?
What? Top 3 mistakes which bakery business founders or owners यार ये मैंने किया है तुम लोग नहीं करो.
I may get a lot of trolling for this. Rate गिराने से brand नहीं बनता है. Distributors do not.
Namaste everyone, and we are so excited welcoming you to our podcast. Today we are so excited because we are bringing one guest who is as bold as her flavors. Yes, I think आप लोग guess कर चुके होंगे. Yes, शेफ गौरी जो कि अभी सीजन 4 शार्क टैंक में इस बार आई और उन्होंने she picked up the funding from Namita, but in addition to that her episode was full of all sort of emotions. बहुत सारा ड्रामा, बहुत सारी कहानी and everything.
और आज के एपिसोड में हम ये भी देखेंगे that how she created this brand. उन्होंने क्या मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजीज यूज़ करी एंड उन्होंने कैसे अमेजोन सीखा और यूएस में कैसे वो अपने ब्रांड को लेके गई. ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड मोर.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है ग्रैब अ कप ऑफ कॉफी और ग्लूटेन फ्री कुकी उठा लीजिए because that is what Chef Gauri does. And I think you're going to enjoy this conversation. So let's roll into it. Welcome, Gauri. And we are so happy and thankful that you could take out time and you're here. We're really looking forward to your podcast, especially because it was one of a kind. It was one of the dramatic podcasts. It was one of the dramatic episodes, in Shark Tank. Yeah. And I am looking forward to do this entire conversation with this one intent कि कहीं भी कोई भी अगर इस एपिसोड को देख रहा है आफ्टर the viewing finishes, it just shouldn't be listening or binging.
Yeah.
Something, some statement very positively should inspire that fellow. And I think I'll be happy about it, and Vineet will be happy about it because that is our intent. And I think from your episode in Shark Tank, what we could feel, that action-driven attitude, that motivated me and Vineet to reach out to you. And we said, karna hai, Gauri ko bulana hai, and let's do this conversation. I think we have structured this conversation in a format where we are going to pick a few questions in the beginning, which if somebody has not seen the Shark Tank episode, they still know you a bit. And then we are going to deep dive and talk about lot of things which has not happened on the Shark Tank. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, this is amazing.
Yeah,
So-
we'll know you a bit more
Bit
in the
more.
later part of the episode.
Thank you so much, Sadhna and Vineet, for having me. And I love the fact that I qualified for this podcast. I love the fact
Absolutely a
that
pleasure.
the vibes match
Yeah.
and we're very like-minded people. And I think it's going to be a great conversation. So bring on all the questions. I'm ready for this.
Yes, lovely. So to begin with, because it's a basic thing that we want
Yeah.
to get started, Gauri, we want to know you and more about your brand because today we are here
Yeah.
and today, so many people know you because you appeared on Shark Tank because of the brand that you own, because of the brand that you have built.
Yeah.
So yes, what Confect is all about and how is it coming in normal people's life? So what is the brand? Please tell that.
So I always say this, that Confect is a brand in which ensures that I'm in the business of happiness.
Oh,
Wow.
So I'm a part of everybody's celebration. Cake sirf khushiyon pe kaatte hain. They don't cut it when someone is pissed or angry.
absolutely.
So everybody's either celebrating a milestone or something unique in their life. And I get to be a part of every one of them. So that's why this business is so special to me. And special hone ke saath na, it comes with a lot of pressure.
yeah.
That means that pressure for that moment to give the perfect product that performs without ruining it
Yeah.
is a lot of pressure because you don't get that moment again.
Yeah.
And it was probably that my precious moment got ruined, which is why I made it like my life's motto and my brand's motto, that no one else's is going to get ruined ever again.
Yeah.
So, in short, we manufacture ingredients which are largely cake decoratives for all the bakers, bakeries, as well as moms. My core and my heart goes out to home bakers and moms because that's how I pivoted the business.
Yes.
And I wanted to bring value to their lives. And by that, I mean, all the moms who are selling from home, doing these small home businesses. It's a source of freedom for them, and it's so good for them. And if they can save that extra buck because the product is doing well and there's less wastage, then that's where I add value to their lives. And that's the way I designed my entire product. It wasn't कि typically आज FMCG में products people have कि जल्दी खत्म होए या खराब होए, so you buy
True.
again.
Yeah.
With me, it's like how you stretch it to the dollar, like how you've seen your moms save,
Yeah.
scrimp year on year. And I think that's inherent in all of us Indian bachas. We've seen our moms keep the Tupperware, the dabbas,
Yes.
everything
Yeah.
is recycled, reused.
Yeah.
That is there with me. I'm an 80s kid. So I know I'm not changing that mindset for another 20, 30 years.
Yeah.
So why can't I give her a product that performs? Because if it performs, you bought loyalty like right there and then.
True.
If I can give, instead of let's say a box of fondant, which is my number one product in
Yeah.
India, typically does maybe 2 or 3 cakes. If she can stretch it to a 4th cake, I have created value for her.
Yeah.
So she saved that money. And that's going in her pocket.
Yeah.
So I'm getting what I deserve. And she's made that extra. She's never going to leave me or the brand because she's trusting it
Yes.
Yeah.
to perform every time.
Correct.
And I think that's the basic ethos behind the brand. There's no secret. I've kept it very simple.
Yeah.
And it's what simple is what works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to touch the chord here.
Yeah.
Everything else comes later.
Very true. Very true. और कितना पुराना हो गया है? How long is the journey in this?
Oh God.
and journey start. Were you interested in this since childhood, and it kind of picked up when something happened bad, on your main day? कैसे हुआ? I mean, I think that is something कई लोग सोचते हैं कैसे पता लगता है कौन सा बिजनेस शुरू करना है.
Correct.
So please, touch upon this thing कि कैसे, मतलब
So, couple of things.
Yeah.
I always knew that I was different. I used, as cliche as it sounds, I used to tell my mom ki I'll be very famous one day. And I don't know what I would be. I was a 13 or 14-year-old girl. And I said, I'm going to be very famous. Mama, I was born for this. And I thought ki I'll probably go into Bollywood or something like that, which is ironic because there was a time in my life where Devanand actually offered me a movie role.
Oh.
And my parents said, बिल्कुल नहीं होगा ये.
अरे.
So I was like, अच्छा अब famous कैसे हो? So अभी भी होना है. So I figured कि चलो Forbes या Times का उस पे आ जाएंगे तो
हो जाएगा.
vibe same है. Or maybe Karan can make a Netflix series on me eventually on my story.
अभी बनाता है आजकल दिल्ली वाइस पे.
Exactly.
Yes.
So I never knew anything about cooking. My mom doesn't cook at all. So we never grew up in a house where cooking or home cooked food was a big part of my life. Then when I lived internationally also, I was only buying ready to go meals. So food was never a big part of my life in any which way. But I always had a sweet tooth. We never baked at that time because India में कुछ मिलता नहीं था. But I got exposed to desserts when I was in the UK. And I think I spent most of my money there. And that's where that love for it and the fascination of how it was a part of everybody's daily life. हम लोग मिठाई रोज नहीं खाते हैं.
Yeah.
वो लोग वहाँ pastry रोज खाते हैं.
Yeah.
Like, or a croissant or a Danish.
Yeah.
Or some form of
Yeah.
bakery is in their life every
Every
day.
day. True.
And I thought that was amazing. And when I was telling you earlier that when I had this, I lived the perfect life. मतलब मेरी CV देखो ना तो उससे अच्छी CV नहीं है. Best school, best college, best MBA, best job, everything was tick.
Yeah.
But I was not happy.
Yeah.
And I couldn't figure out कि सब कर लिया, perfect. And I'm at the top of my game, but I'm not happy.
Yeah.
So can I do this for the next 30 years? The answer was no. इतना पता था, but
Yeah.
क्या करूँगी? बिल्कुल नहीं पता था.
Oh.
So the only thing I knew was that if I felt something strongly about something, just छलांग मार. फिर देखी जाएगी. I'm that person. So I take a jump before I see how high it is.
Yeah.
That's the kind of person I am.
Yeah.
And that's what happened. So this one cake which was my wedding cake, was an absolute disaster.
Yeah.
And instead of getting angry, typical बंदा क्या करता, बेकर को फ़ोन करता, थ्रेटन करता कि मैं फेसबुक पे बैड रिव्यूज़ डालूंगी, मैं सबको बता दूंगी, उससे क्या रिजल्ट निकलने वाला था. बट मैंने ये सोचा कि इतने पैसे लगा के I didn't get what I wanted.
Yeah.
And उस टाइम दिल्ली में सिर्फ 10 बेकर्स थे. I'm like, अगर 10 है ना, कल 1000 होंगे. But who's supplying to them? What is in this industry? Why is it ignored? किसी को इंटरेस्ट क्यों नहीं है? और मैंने कहा अभी ये जीरो पे है ना, तो ये कभी ना कभी तो हीरो बनेगा.
Yeah.
So why not try it? And literally, I was like, I'm doing this. I mean, everyone who knew me was shocked. Are you going to bake? Like, तेरे को कुछ नहीं आता है, and you're going to bake. Like, and I said, yeah, we'll do it. Like, कितना मुश्किल हो सकता है? And like exactly how I said on Shark Tank, ना इस केक के तक पहुंचना था. ये क्या था?
क्या?
And then, you know, God is kind. I realized that I'm naturally good at it. This was a shock for me. That I was a great chef. I had great instincts. I loved food. And I was really good at what I do. Aaj tak, my clients from when I used to run a bakery call me even now for cakes.
Wow.
Ki, please, can you make? And that means I was really good at something.
Yeah,
and I'm as surprised as you. But I'm so happy that I took that chance.
Correct. और कितने साल हो गए? I mean, how long is the journey now?
So 10 years in total.
Wow.
Confect is 6 years old.
Wow.
And before that, I was a chef and running a bakery and a cloud kitchen.
Lovely, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
lovely.
Okay.
This is amazing.
Okay, great.
And
So-
I think कि जो moms है ना घर से, उनके साथ क्यों attachment है, क्योंकि मैंने भी अपना काम घर से शुरू
घर
किया
से
था.
शुरू किया.
So when you start from the kitchen in your house, it's the feel is something else when you make it big from there. It's unreal. And you know, there are only some things that you will go through when you go through those motions.
Yeah.
So I connect with my audience so well. So for example, एक जोक है, मैं हमेशा उनको बोलती हूँ कि घर में अगर चीनी या मैदा कम है तो मैं ब्लेम करते कि नहीं कि केक में डाल दिया होगा. And this happens in every house where there's a baker.
Yeah.
And it's like an inside joke.
Yeah.
So when you relate to a community,
Yeah.
you're able to solve their problems for real.
Yeah.
And that helps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, like from baking to confect, because this is like two different things. Like
Yeah.
baking
Yeah.
is baking cakes, and
Yeah.
confect is like making those things which can help bakers. So, ये idea आपको कब आया, कैसे आया?
So इसके दो reasons थे.
हाँ.
एक तो बिजनेस करना है because it's a business.
Yeah.
So you want to make money. Dreams तो बहुत बड़े हैं कि private jet भी चाहिए, ग्लोब भी घूमना है, सब करना है. And business भी बड़ा होना चाहिए. अब bakeries का business in that time to fathom, there was no Blinkit,
Yeah.
there was no Zepto, there was no Swiggy.
Yeah.
So you're doing everything old school. So you're trying to convince a Uber or a Ola driver कि प्लीज मेरा केक डिलीवर कर दो. पहले तो उसको समझाओ कि केक को हैंडल कैसे करना है.
ओए,
Then you're praying कि वो पहुंच जाए एक पीस में.
Yeah,
You know, that was one. Then you're in a bakery kitchen which was not developed at that time as an industry. So your equipments and tools are not great. The manpower that you're getting is largely from hotels which are very ABC.
Yeah.
Nothing unique. So मुझे ये business scalable नहीं लगा. Second thing was Indian customer. वही Black Forest, वही pineapple pastry, वही chocolate truffle. भाई like इससे आगे कोई
तो
जा ही नहीं
जाता
रहा.
ही नहीं
4 साल हो गए and I'm just like guys, अच्छा एक red velvet आ गया, wow.
Wow.
और एक rainbow cake आ गया. That was the
Wow,
highlight
yeah,
of my
yeah,
life,
yeah,
you know.
yeah.
But उसके बाद कुछ नहीं.
जाता नहीं.
And then also, you know, मेरी flavor pairings were very on point. So I could compete with any bakery in Europe. If you're having a lemon tart, it's a sour.
Wow.
You know, if you're having something fruit, it's the fruit is shining. It's not some glaze. So it was never sugar on sugar on sugar. And वो नहीं समझ आता था लोगों को क्योंकि I was breaking the barrier. And I started doing French entremets. So I realized एक तो I was too soon.
Yeah.
To enter this market. I was
Yeah.
doing biscottis before people even understood what
Understood that.
biscottis
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
You know, my bakery was called G's Patisserie. And they used to, आज तक बोलते G Pastries.
Pastries,
And I'm like, हाँ भाई G Pastries ही है. मतलब. So business scalable बिल्कुल नहीं था. If I'm not in the kitchen, some kalesh, you know. And that kalesh is actual monetary damage cannot redo. This
Yeah.
one thing in bakery is there are no do-overs. You have to start from scratch.
Yeah.
So I felt कि यार ये स्केल कैसे होगा. मेरे बिना तो यहाँ कुछ होता नहीं है. Whenever I want to travel, I don't take special cake orders. So I don't see a future. I think I'll be making cakes till 60 and hoping for a good review from customers because and Indian customers are so hard to please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are so hard to please. If there is something, एक तो everyone is a master chef. सबको feedback देना है. And usually it's very hard to say something good. it's very easy to say something bad. And this was actually discussed on one of the shows where they said Zomato mein rating agar 4.1 hai, that's great for a food company, because because customers in India only write negative. They
Yeah.
actually very rarely write
Right,
positive
Yeah,
reviews.
yeah.
And that's our culture. So it's a losing battle.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
You know, you'll have your loyal customers, and it's the same thing for Confect as well. I
Yeah.
went through the same journey there. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा अलग से अप्रोच किया इतना सीख के. And the third and the last reason that I got into this is because I realized कि जो import होके ingredients आ रहे हैं पहले तो बहुत महंगा है. So a fondant that time used to cost 550, 570 rupees a box for a kg. मुश्किल से 2 cakes निकल रहे हैं. केक अब 1800 का दे रहे हो, but एक डब्बा अब multiple colors के डब्बे खुलते हैं. Okay, and that product it gets kharab once
Perishable.
it's left for long, because that product is not meant for India. So product is not performing, and I'm getting galis from my customer based on what the cake looks like. You know, when people order a cake on the basis of looks, which is how they largely sell.
Yeah.
Taste सब ठीक है, but दिखना बड़ा अच्छा चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
And we are also that kind of country where that kind of we want to show
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. We are very house proud.
Yeah.
We're very car proud.
Yeah.
We're very everything proud.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
So whatever it tastes like, it doesn't matter. It has to look stunning.
Yeah.
Now if that doesn't perform, then to hell with what is inside.
Very true.
बहुत बेकार है, क्योंकि वो first impression is gone by the way it looks.
Yeah, yeah.
So there's no recouping from that,
Yeah.
right? And I went through a couple of these experiences with this product. And एक ही आता था उस time. And अगर डब्बा खराब है या टूटा हुआ है या crack है, भाई you cannot take it back. मतलब वो तो 550 डूब गए. So I was like, this doesn't make any sense. And that's when the business school brain in my head said कि यार, firstly it's 1/3 of the cost of this product that I'm
Yeah.
selling at end product. So 30% margin तो ये लेके जा रहा है. उसके बाद perform भी नहीं कर रहा है. तो what the hell am I doing, and why? I'm sitting in Delhi. सारी चीनी यूपी से आती है. तो बनाते क्यों नहीं हो? And this why is where this madness started. I'm like, let me try. How hard can it be?
Yeah.
And that's it. फिर छलांग.
Yeah.
And that time also people were like, अभी तो उसने business stabilize किया है. 4 साल हो गए, बेकरी चला रही, क्लाउड किचन चला रही, सब अच्छा चल रहा है. अब इसको फिर कीड़ा क्या काटते हैं, you know? And but that's growth.
That's evolution.
That's evolution.
Yes, absolutely.
And
That's-
the base was always the same.
Yeah.
I'm a problem solver.
Yeah.
I always wanted to find a solution to do things better. Why can it not be done better?
Wow.
Why do we have to accept it as it is?
Lovely.
And that's what it was.
And I think there's a big lesson because let's say if you have to go from one place to
Yeah.
another place, आपको सिर्फ 100 मीटर दिख रहा है रात के टाइम में, आपको सिर्फ 100 मीटर चलना चाहिए. बिकॉज सही बात है, इफ लाइक ऑन डे वन यू वुड हैव थॉट कि मुझे 1000 करोड़ का बिजनेस बनाना है, मे बी आपको शायद आइडिया नहीं आता, बट सिंस यू स्टार्टेड कि जितना दिख रहा है उतने में लेट्स स्टार्ट, एंड उसके क्योंकि नेक्स्ट स्टेप आपको कई बार फर्स्ट
वहाँ
स्टेप के बाद
पहुँच के
दिखेगा.
दिखता है. Yeah.
You know, I
And
think-
आज भी ऐसे ही है.
Yeah,
आज
yeah,
भी
yeah.
ऐसे ही,
That's
correct.
the
And
rule.
this is the beauty of the journey.
Correct.
I
Yeah.
can't, there are no shortcuts.
Yeah.
You can't jump a step. You
Yeah.
have to go through the motions.
Yeah.
Correct.
So ये नहीं कि success suddenly fell on my head. You know,
Correct.
it's the whole journey is what is
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
एंड आई
about
थिंक
it.
ऑल्सो बिजनेसेस पिवट अ लॉट. सो कई लोग इस चीज़ में अपना पूरा टाइम वेस्ट कर देते हैं कि मुझे क्या करना है, क्योंकि वो ये नहीं सोचते कि अगर एक बार स्टार्ट करेंगे तो एनीवेज दे विल पिवट. मोस्ट ऑफ द बिजनेसेस दे पिवट.
उनको पहले चाहिए 5-year plan बना.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
जैसे कोई इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी खरीद रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
कि हमें 5th year, 6th year, 10th year में कितना रिटर्न मिलना है. This is the mentality.
Yeah.
Indians by nature are not are risk averse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't like taking risks.
Yeah.
This is our culture.
Yeah.
So they want that insurance policy.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
there is no goddamn insurance policy. And you're not going to do anything in life if you live by those
Absolutely.
rules. It's only the guys who break the rules who make
Yeah.
it anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's how history has always been.
Yeah.
You
True,
know?
true. What is that one line that Vineet always says, which I actually just felt, and she said also, that entrepreneurs are those who jump off the plane
Yeah, entrepreneurs are like they jump off the plane, building the parachute on the way down.
on the way down.
So true.
So he read it somewhere and it was like, wow.
Yeah,
This is
and it is so
so-
right.
so
you
right.
make it up as you go along.
Yeah.
Nobody has the answers, and you know, सबको लगता है when I used to watch like amazing people talk, like big business
Yeah.
leaders, you realize over time that nobody knew anything. When you
Yeah.
start taking the journey,
Yeah.
you realize किसी को कुछ नहीं पता था.
Correct.
Everybody navigated themselves.
Yeah.
And that is it. It's okay to say I don't know.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, like on the show, when I was getting berated with questions, there's a point where I said, I need a minute, I have to think.
हाँ,
Yeah.
correct.
And it's okay. They don't understand how much power it takes to say, hang on a second,
Yeah.
I need a minute.
Yeah,
And it's a lot of, you have to be absolutely sure of yourself to say that.
yeah.
And people take it negatively, कि
नहीं.
वो भूल गई.
Yeah.
I'm like, भाई
कि
ऐसा
रट
नहीं
के
है.
नहीं आए थे. Yeah.
Exactly. And these are small things that change the way people think. So these are small, what do you say? Tap into small insights into how I am as a person.
Yeah.
कि आई एम सो सेल्फ सिक्योर कि मेरे को नहीं प्रेशराइज. अगर मुझे एक मिनट चाहिए ना सोचने के
चाहिए.
लिए, क्योंकि तुम लोगों ने वाट लगा दी इतने क्वेश्चंस एक साथ करके, एंड एवरीबॉडी वांट्स अटेंशन,
Yeah.
एंड गुस्सा भी आ रहा है, तो वो भी मैं जरा कूल डाउन करूँ दिमाग को कुछ बोलने से पहले. तो आई एम आस्किंग फॉर अ मिनट, बिकॉज दे ऑलवेज से दैट व्हेन यू आर हॉट हेडेड, टेक अ सेकंड
Yeah, always.
slow down. That's
Yeah.
what I did on national television.
Yeah.
And why would I apologize for things like that? So I always tell people ki own it.
Yeah.
You know, and once you make it, people will always want to pull you down.
Yeah.
And that is what it is.
Yeah.
But if they matter to you, then you're in the wrong place.
Yeah.
They shouldn't.
Yeah. And I think I personally I saw your episode और मुझे उस एपिसोड में ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा, nothing where I could see you in the wrong platform, not at all.
Yeah.
Because I know there were a lot of comments which we were discussing abhi bhi,
Yeah.
where they're painting you in a certain this thing, aisa hai. But I think I always believe जैसे हो वैसे रहो, much easier in life.
Yeah.
Don't layer up with things. You know, वो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. तो मुझे तो मज़ा आया. मतलब I literally enjoyed your episode. मुझे
Thank
मज़ा
you.
आया था, you know.
Thank you.
Coming to the brand, because I can feel you have made it passionately and madly. मुझे वो vibe आ रही है, you know.
Yeah.
आप उसको बोलते हो that I think you're putting that as premium luxury or whatever, you know, howsoever you define it.
Yeah.
बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि whatever you're saying for a brand, you're able to create a perception for that like that.
Yeah.
So I think I am very much interested, and Vineet might also be interested to know, what do you think, how could you, what did you do to create that perception कि मेरा brand एक premium luxury brand है? Because जो दिखता है वो बिकता है ना.
Yeah.
This line has a lot to do with perception
Yeah,
thing.
I agree.
हाँ, वो क्या किया, मतलब क्या सोचा, क्या किया, what do you think what you did right? And this is again answer this कि अगर कोई इस तरह की कैटेगरी में है प्रीमियम लग्जरी और वो सोच रहा है यार परसेप्शन के लिए क्या करूं, सो आंसर इट, सो 3 things that you did or 3 things that he should do or she should do, ऐसे बताओ आप.
To make it a premium luxury perception? Okay. So the first thing that is very important is putting yourself out there.
Okay.
So I put myself out there. You're selling luxury. आप कोई भी एक्सपेंसिव आइटम खरीदने जाते हो, आपको पता होता है ये किसका है, इसका ओनर कौन है, ये कहाँ से प्रोक्योर करते हैं. आप डायमंड्स ले लो, आप गोल्ड ले लो, आप कोई भी एक्सपेंसिव गाड़ी ले लो. You know the history of Merc, you know the history of BMW. There is a lineage that comes, right? I didn't have a lineage. But what did I have? I had me. So I put myself out there.
Oh wow.
And I told my story. And I said, I'm a real, you know, there's a huge value to putting a face to the brand. बहुत फर्क पड़ता है उससे. उससे होती है रिलेटेबिलिटी कि अच्छा ये है. If you have a faceless brand, it's very difficult to build luxury. The second thing you have to do is you have to put in your perspective. Why are you premium? So I'm a mom. I believe in changing the face of how people eat. I believe that kids should only get the best that we have to offer. I will not compromise on my ingredients. But सबसे बड़ी चीज़ that connected is कि जो मैं बेचती हूँ वो मेरा बेटा भी खाता है. That connected like this. That he was a part of this process. So again, that premiumness came. That this is a mom with no compromise for her own kids. So what she's selling, if it's good for her child, it's good for our child. That relatability came in a second. When it came to luxury, because we use a certain kind of ingredient which we manufacture, which we talked about, and we keep clean products. मतलब हम उसको chemicals and synthetics से नहीं भरते. So that comes at a cost. And we will be at that price. So, and I always said कि, and you related to things, मुझे ये ideas when I started the brand ऐसे नहीं आए थे. I used to think कि जब when my son was in diapers, what am I buying? I am buying a Pampers. आंख बंद करके क्यों भाई पैम्पर ही क्यों ले रहे हैं? It's 8 rupees, 10 rupees, 13 rupees, and when they're going 10 times a day, you do the math. Believe me, you do the math. And then why am I not doing Mammy Poco or something like that?
True.
Because I don't want to deal with a diaper rash or anything else that might follow. And that's the perspective I wanted moms to have when it came to my product.
Yeah.
So you understand ki what sells, what doesn't sell, and that's how you position. So first you understand how your customer makes a decision.
Yeah.
तो कस्टमर किस बेसिस पे डिसीजन करता है कि ये लग्जरी है, ये प्रीमियम है या ये मासी है.
Correct.
एंड दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. द लास्ट इज व्हाट इज द एंड यूज ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट. सो इट्स व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट इन योर लाइफ. नाउ फॉर मी इट वाज अ मोमेंट. उस मोमेंट इज इट्स प्राइसलेस.
Yeah.
So why would you allow them to take a chance with anything else?
Yeah.
So you say that only the best for your best moments.
Yeah,
Again,
absolutely.
you're positioned yourself
Yeah.
in that way.
Yeah.
But if you see, all the three things I've spoken about are all about human connect.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with a single marketing gimmick.
Yeah.
It was all to the core. So I understood, thankfully, I had this experience with my bakery, कि जैसे मैं सोचती हूँ वैसे ही कस्टमर सोचता है. कोई कस्टमर कोई अलग कोई एलियन नहीं है.
Yeah.
Correct,
You know?
yeah.
So when I was pricing my product, I put a price that I would be okay to buy
Yeah.
that product at.
Yeah.
Not what I think I should earn कि मैं इतना चूना लगा सकती हूँ. No. Because we as women, firstly, मेरा customer is a woman,
Women.
largely,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We run a house.
Yeah.
We know आटा चीनी तेल सबका भाव अच्छे से रटा हुआ होता
Yeah,
है.
yeah.
Okay, we have the time to go on 5 apps
Yeah.
to save the $100.
Yeah.
So I know my customer. I do the same thing.
Yeah.
So why would she do anything different?
Yeah.
And what would she be willing to pay as an added premium luxury tag?
Yeah.
So let's say we're in category A, there are only 2 or 3 of us, and everybody else in India is category B. So we're in a price point which is about 480 rupees plus. So I'm 10% below or 20% below the top guy who's at 550. तो मेरा strategy ये था कि उससे अच्छा product बनाऊंगी,
Yeah.
but उससे 20% कम. So already I have an in with
Yeah.
from a price perspective. I'm giving more value for lesser money.
Yeah.
So it's a win.
Wow.
That's how you position. But
Lovely.
I didn't say कि जो 300 रुपए वाला है मैं उससे 50 रुपए ऊपर बेचूंगी.
Obviously, yeah.
Because then I'm saying I'm a little more expensive than the cheap guy, but I'm a better product.
Yeah.
That customer is not mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very right.
Correct?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Absolutely.
I mean,
Yeah.
some strong business insights that she
Yeah.
just, kept doing. I think one after the other, she has been doing it right.
Yeah.
Because this is a very good thing, ना?
Yeah.
इस चीज को 2 तरीके से देख सकते थे.
Correct.
कि मैं थोड़ा सा महंगा बनाती हूँ बट अच्छा दूंगी तो वो ले लेंगे. बट आई थिंक द बेटर अप्रोच वाज व्हाट
Yeah.
यू डिड
Yeah.
कि अच्छा बनाओ लेकिन उससे सस्ते रहो. सो इट्स लेट इजी बाय इन.
Yeah, it's an easy
एंड देन आई थिंक यू नेवर फॉरगॉट द ह्यूमन कनेक्ट एवरी टाइम. वो
Very
बहुत बड़ी बात होती है.
Because
बहुत बड़ी
business ना
बात.
business का एक bottom line असूल है which सब भूल जाते हैं. You don't only get into business to sell your product once.
Yeah.
You make money on repeat purchase.
Yeah.
Single
Yeah,
purchase पे कोई नहीं बनाता because single purchase की cost बहुत high होती
हाई
है.
होती है.
बिल्कुल.
So वो loyalty बनाने के लिए तो कुछ अच्छा देना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
So how do you have the human connect?
Yeah.
You need the human connect.
Yeah.
Everybody who I meet, आप मानोगे नहीं, when I go for exhibitions, they meet me like they know me.
Yeah.
Because I'm out there and I talk about things. And I talk about things that people feel ashamed to talk about. जिसमें बोलती हूँ कि हस्बैंड के साथ लड़ाई होती है, मैदा चीनी लेके मदर इन लॉ के साथ. कहती है आपको कैसे पता? मैंने कहा because I went through it. अच्छा आपके साथ भी ऐसे होता है? And I said yeah.
That's
You humanize
relatability.
yourself.
Yeah, true.
To them, because people on the other side think, oh, she's a CEO, she probably doesn't go through any of these
Yeah.
things in life. And that's what we think about celebrities as well.
Yeah.
And then you realize, hey, they're human.
Ah.
And that's what I realized, that if I put myself to be relatable to them and
Yeah.
told them my experiences. There was a point in life where I used to bake so much from home that my husband was like, enough. Because it's a good smell for a
Yeah.
certain amount of time, and then he's
Uske
like, ab
लिए like,
sofe, parde, sab mein cake ka smell aa raha hai. I'm sick of it. It's sickening, Stop it. And I said, yeah, how many of you been through this? They said, us also. And then, you're using your maids at home to help you with the
Yeah,
cake
yeah,
orders
yeah,
and all. I
yeah.
said, किसको पड़ती है कि उस सब्जी ठीक नहीं बनाई या cutting नहीं करी क्योंकि भाभी ने बोला था ये करो पहले or something. All of them.
Yeah.
Because I went through the same cycle. They were relating to me.
Yeah.
And they found that I was like a friend to them, like a peer.
Yeah.
So they could relate to me and talk to me about everything. So they opened their hearts.
Yeah.
And that's the biggest secret to my success, honest to God, because a bunch of women across the country decided to give me a chance. That's the reason I'm sitting where I'm sitting.
Yeah.
Because some stranger gave me a chance because she related to my story.
Yeah.
And people forget the power of that.
Yeah.
People go into, let's do fancy gimmicks, let's do a lot of performance marketing, let's do amazing creators, but you forget the bottom line.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली
Wow.
सो आप कंटेंट डे 1 से बना रहे हो कॉन्फेक्ट के लिए
Yeah.
Day
I
one?
think pretty much from the first day.
From first day,
I used to
wow.
do it myself. I still largely do it myself. People be surprised. I know it sounds cool to say I have a team, but no, I don't have a team for my Instagram. I largely try and manage it on my own. So actually, जब DM आते हैं and I reply, they're like, "Oh wow, is it you, chef?" I said, "और कौन होएगा यार?"
कौन होएगा?
मेरे DM पे. I don't understand that. So a lot of times people are like, "Please give us access so we'll manage your account." I'm like, "No, this is my personal connect and line to my clients."
Yeah.
Like people want to reach out to me. I don't need a middleman there also.
Yeah.
So on a lot of things I'm old school. I may take 2 days to reply, but I apologize that I'm sorry I'm late, but it's me.
It's me.
Yeah.
Lovely.
That's so
wow.
good, yeah.
And मुझे ना I think हम question कुछ भी शुरू कर रहे हैं ना, we're ending up that human connect. Human connect. And I can feel कि वो बहुत
It's a very big part of my
strong,
life.
बहुत strong है in her story especially.
Yeah.
And I think that is what she has got right. So सबके मुझे लगता है audience के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा message है. कहीं से सुनते नहीं सुनते मुझे नहीं पता, but गौरी शेफ जो कहना चाह रही है भाई कि human connect is not old school.
It's not
It is still the core reason why her brand is flourishing or why so many brands might be flourishing.
And it's back
So,
with a bang.
Yeah.
So now if you look at all Instagram content, people want real.
Yeah.
I'm like, you want real, but real is not a thing. It was
Yeah.
always there.
It was always there.
But now suddenly it's going back that
Yeah,
way.
yeah,
People want something that looks more real. They want videos that are shot which are not staged.
Yeah.
They want real ghar ka ki baal nahi bane, kitchen ganda
Bilkul,
hai.
हाँ.
Why do they want this?
Yeah.
Because they missed that connect. Everything became too perfect.
Too perfect.
Too scripted.
Yeah.
actually.
And
Very right.
honestly, like I don't even know the M of marketing. I mean, I did MBA, but
Yeah.
but
The
I didn't
practical
know
one,
that
yeah.
putting myself out there and मुझे अपना प्रोडक्ट बेचना नहीं आता था.
Yeah.
उस टाइम सिर्फ फेसबुक था.
Yeah.
So
In fact, मुझे ये पूछना है because you said Confect is 6 years old.
Yeah.
So 6 years means in India,
yeah.
digital was kind of getting up.
Yeah.
मुझे ये पूछना है that how did you navigate this story? Because legacy होता, कोई बहुत बड़ा brand होता, day one से कोई बहुत funding house से आ रहा होता, things are very different maybe for them. But somebody in a kitchen because of a personal पंगा and a thing कि बेटा मैं तो करके दिखा रही हूँ. What was the route that you chose so that you can reach? So whenever you have reached out to your audience, you chose that human connect, but how to reach out? Iska call kaise liya? Looks like a digital thing because that's what you're saying, but I think we are keen on. And would you like to add on to something?
No, like the same thing. Like
The digital.
Yeah, digital thing.
कि कैसे navigate किया?
And
you
the
know?
UGC part also, like one thing is that you are making content for your brand, but the other thing is like how do you get influencers or do you get influencers to also create
Wow.
content?
So I did a lot of things. So let me begin with what you asked.
Navigation.
You asked about the navigation.
How did you? Yeah.
So why Facebook? Luckily, when I was in Oxford, Facebook launched. And Facebook launched only for colleges. So I was a part of Facebook since it was only colleges. So I had that first 1 year advantage there. And then I was in the UK. So a few years I was there, really knew my way around Facebook. And it worked. When I came back, Facebook had opened up to public.
Yeah.
So मतलब सब कुछ आ गया था उसके ऊपर. You know, everybody, but everybody was there.
Yeah.
And there were these huge communities that were happening around baking and moms, and it had blown up. There was no other way to market your product. What else do I do?
Yes.
So for me, it was desperation, frustration, and absolute vulnerability कि मैं करूँ क्या? I forgot any inhibition, anything of कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे, कौन क्या सोचेगा. I just let it go. I went there and I said, guys, I need help. I have a product I'm trying to sell, but I need people to try it. Please reply and I will message you and you can send me your address. मैं free में भेज रही हूँ. This is how my journey started.
Wow.
I put myself out there. And I didn't know who's there, who's not there, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. And people responded to such a huge level that they had to stop the comments on that post. It was like that.
Lovely.
And that's how the story started. And actually, जो भी हुआ है ना, whether good reviews, bad reviews, anything about me, it's been on Facebook for the first 2 years or 3 years of my brand Confect.
Wow.
And when you see someone's journey starting from there, going up, good, bad, ugly, सब वहाँ देखा है. So I think people love it because I was like a live soap opera happening, and the entire brand was built like that. The community was built like that. So कभी-कभी तो मेरे trending posts होते थे community में 4-4 दिन तक. अगर गाली पड़ रही है तो पड़ ही रही है, मतलब 200-250 comments है कि गालियाँ ही पड़ रही है. किसी का order delay हो गया या किसी का box टूटा हुआ मिला, something or the other. But it was all public. Today people don't post about these things because it's so normal.
Yeah.
You know, and even today, if there's a disgruntled customer, and we do thousands of customers now, I actually get people who say, I will post this review on Facebook, I will put it on Instagram, and my reply is, please go ahead. Please do it. मेरे को डर नहीं लगता. उनको लगता है कि ये डराने का तरीका है. And I never get scared because I'm like, बहुत bashing हो चुकी है. आप भी घुस जाओ. It's okay. It hasn't changed anything for me.
वैसे भी we are humans, we'll do mistakes. I mean,
Just
that's
own
fine.
them.
Yeah, just
That's
own
all.
them. Yeah.
And that's another reason for my success is because I always listen to feedback. कि अगर उनको कोई चीज समझ नहीं आ रहा है, it is cheaper, guys. I could have been like, oh, I'm a chef, I know how to make this product. तुम लोगों को नहीं पता है, but भाई 100 करोड़ को कौन educate करेगा? उनको बना के दे दो, उनको क्या चाहिए? So much easier. And that's what I did.
Yeah.
And I got appreciated for it because today also people meet me, they're like, तेरा कितना वाट लगाया था? And I was like, yeah. But she said, you listened and you didn't give up and you tried and we love you for it. That's what I want.
Yeah.
So, like you say, actions speak louder than
Yeah.
words.
Yeah.
Today I have a platform to speak my words.
Yeah.
But for the last decade, it was just my actions.
Yeah.
But it's because of that that I made it so far.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know. So
But then
that
I
was
want
the
to
first part of the
but
question.
yeah, because digital. Yeah, please continue.
What was the
UGC.
Like, how do you do you
Okay.
make content only yourself or some
So-
influencers also?
Because the brand got so loved, we did 2 or 3 things. Pehle, I had brand ambassadors. So, you know, people who were just starting out but were beautiful, like काम बहुत अच्छा था उनका. I used to call them and I'm like, would you want to be my brand ambassador? And they're like, you know, what is that? I was the first to start it. And we used to sell them product at a, some of them at free, some of them at a discounted price, depending what levels they were at in their journey. And they started becoming advocates for the product. So again,
The bakers.
the
home
home
bakers,
bakers,
yeah.
who were really winning competitions, doing good. So that became a more of a benefit to them. Ki look, some of them who are getting free, it's amazing because they're making all that money is going in their pocket, right?
Yeah.
I don't want anything out of it. I never asked ki tumhe ye karna padega mere liye. There was nothing like that. It was just like, I want to be associated with you and your work because I think your work speaks for my brand. And the kind of things that you make is only possible with my product. Because the cakes were so stunning that you want to, again, premium luxury.
Yeah.
You want to relate the most beautiful cakes with a best product. That parity happened.
Yeah.
And then there were lots of people who started tagging the product and the brand in their cakes. And इतने ज़्यादा थे कि अगर मैं उनको accept करती collab request, मतलब मेरा पूरा page was just other cakes. So looking very cluttered. There's no formal brand communication. Then someone came up to me and said, your page looks like a bhaji.
Yeah,
Like, what the hell is this? It doesn't have brand colors. The grid doesn't look good. And some 25-year-old said, this is a mess. Like, you know, why do you not have structured posts? You don't talk about product. I'm like, उसपे engagement आता ही नहीं. Who's interested in looking at pictures of bottles of product? Like, you know, cakes are more fun to see. And they said no. So I said, okay, fine. And then, उसी के साथ, my customers started getting pissed off. कि हमने आपको tag किया है, आप accept नहीं करते, आप request accept नहीं कर रहे, आप collab accept नहीं कर रहे. I'm like, कितने करूँ? And even today, by the grace of God, they come by the hundreds a day. Wow. Hundreds. Like, we don't have enough time to put stories in 24 hours. So we decided that why not give them, what do they want? They want a space to be, their work to be seen.
Yeah.
How do they get to their customer when a brand acknowledges their work? How do they feel validated and gratified?
Yeah.
and appreciated. When a brand says, great, good enough to put on my page. So हमने ये करते हैं ना, let's support. So we started a Confect Sugar Stories. So you tell us your sugar stories.
Wow.
And on that, we accept anybody's collabs if they are not tagging a competing brand. And we put it out there and we give them that space. And actually, that page is growing faster than the brand page.
Wow.
Yeah.
And it is still there?
It is still there.
So repeat that name so that if somebody...
Called Confect Sugar Stories.
Sugar Stories. Okay,
Wow,
done.
that's so good, yeah.
This is lovely.
Yeah.
That's a way of giving back.
Yeah.
I am just picking up those beautiful things.
Yeah.
I don't know if consciously or subconsciously, you have just got it right.
It's my nature, I think. I think I've been so honest with my business.
Yeah.
And even when I started, like, so Confect is all women run. And उसके पीछे भी story है.
हाँ, please बताओ कहानी है तो सुननी है. That is why this
I
conversation.
didn't want to hire from the industry.
हाँ.
Because वो बड़ी मेरी बेकरी एक्सपीरियंस से मुझे समझ आ गया था कि मुझे क्या मिलने वाला है. You know, चलेगा, होता है, झटका काम. I didn't want that.
Yeah.
Also, sorry, but men are not attention to detail kind of people. So
That's not right now. बहुत सारे men हैं.
yeah, I'm just looking around the room.
All the men.
Also, like I talked about women empowerment, so it's very important for me. So what I used to do is Okhla mein camps hain, and I would just go and put up a board outside my factory ki women required. So a lot of women came and they would say हम पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं, so it doesn't matter. They said you know हमें कुछ नहीं आता है काम, हमने कभी काम नहीं किया, हम सीधा घर से आए. I said okay fine, no issue. So I asked them कि आप अपना घर मैनेज करते हो? हाँ. मैंने कहा जितना पैसा हस्बैंड देता है उतना से कर लेते हो? हाँ. तो सुबह से शाम अपना काम, पानी लाना, बच्चों को खिलाना, सब हो जाता है ना? She says, yeah. I said, so you know how to manage your time, you know how to manage your money, and you know how to stretch it as well. You're the perfect candidate. I'm looking for someone who knows that. And I used to bring them in and train them for about 3 months. And then bring them on board on our machines and on the product. Till today, this is the same way I hire. I do not hire from the industry. That's another big secret, because what we did was, they've been a part of my journey from the first day. And I used to tell them कि you know मेरा और आपका ना साथ में बंधा हुआ है. तो अगर मैं उड़ी तो मेरे साथ आप उड़ोगे. You know, and their husbands, as most Indian women, I said they have husbands who are either drunks, don't pick up have a steady job.
Yeah.
And this is हर घर की कहानी.
Yeah,
This is not unique.
Yeah.
Which is why we have mostly women working in our houses as maids.
Yeah.
And their husbands used to be like, इस company के पानी में क्या है? क्योंकि, you know, all of a sudden their wives have found voices, they have like, you know, become empowered.
Yeah.
And I would sit and talk to them. Even today I sit and talk to them about so many issues. So, you know, sari clad women who came today are wearing like palazzos and tops. And that's a transition,
That's
you
a
know.
transformation.
I tell them कि जब भी you get an increment, घर पे मत बताओ. Base salary देना, increment अपने रखो. You know, go buy some lipstick, go buy a nice dress for yourself, or go buy something for your kids. What makes you happy?
Yeah.
Like stop getting frustrated on that. When we work nights, even today, घर जाना है, husband के लिए खाना बनाना है. I'm like अभी order करते ढाबे से Blinkit करा दो, भेज दो वहाँ पे. You know, you don't need to go home just to cook the food. So many things over time. Like they bought fridges. Small wins for them, you know. We bought a fridge, we've got like a washing machine ले लिया, मैम अब Sunday कपड़े नहीं धोने पड़ते. And it's those wins. For me. And again, this is so deep rooted and tied into our community. And then we had this one lady, a woman who worked with me for 3 years, and she has already, I think, 4 kids. She was 3 kids, she was pregnant with a 4th. And didn't get it aborted in time because they're casual. And she said, what do I do? My husband doesn't hold down a steady job. I said, it's okay. You work till your last day, and then after your 40 days, you come back. 41st day, she was back with a baby. And my company, as a community, we raised her son for 1.5 years in the factory.
Oh, that's so nice.
So she could work.
See?
And this is community, like for us. And everybody got together and did their bit, you know. कभी एक department में था, कभी दूसरे में था, but everybody made sure that he was taken care of. And work didn't suffer. And that is what it's all about, you know. And there became days where she had to go, if she was taking a day off, she would drop him off to us and say, मैं जा रही, मेरी आज छुट्टी है, I'll come back in the evening and pick him up, you know.
Daycare.
But that's the kind of security, the community, we all come together.
Yeah.
And that is the vibe of the company. So another thing is कि हमारे departments हैं, but everybody will do all work.
Yeah.
तो अगर किसी ने गलती से भी मुझे बोल दिया ना ये मेरा काम नहीं है, they are like kicked out. Because it is about teamwork. When shit hits the fan, you all have to get together
Yeah.
and get it done.
Yeah.
So we don't even allow that. You know, they call me Hitler at work. I really am, because I stand for some things very strongly and very firmly, and I will not give in to that. So another reason of my success is that. So when my Shark Tank aired, everybody knew it's coming. And everybody was watching and clapping, and they were so happy. They're like, "देखो मैम ने सुना दिया, TV पे भी सुना दिया उन्होंने, you know, मैम ऐसे ही है." So nothing has changed because they could relate to me being the same way in office as I am there. कि नहीं, देखो जैसे ऑफिस में पहनते कपड़े वैसे ही पहन के गई है, you know. So there was nothing different. And for me, never have they come and said कि, you know, अब आपके सर चढ़ गया है कि आप TV पे आए हो कुछ. Everything is the same. They're like, आप तो ऐसे ही हो. So I'm like, और कैसे होना है मेरे को, you know?
Beautiful. That is so nice.
Again, so not only the customer, but it starts from ground root, grass level. And so the company it started by accident, and now it's become a culture. You know.
Wow. But I feel like picking up a question here. The younger generation nowadays, as you said that you are bacha from the 80s, which we are too. And all the new generation bachas or, you know, the younger kids, when they think of business, I have heard many times this thing, "Are nahi, you know, it's not about hard work, it's about smart work." I really want you to touch upon how much to balance these two terms. I mean, I understand it differs for people because, so I think what I'm interested is your perspective. Because today, you are running a successful company, and as much as I'm talking to you, मुझे ना brand shallow नहीं दिख रहा है. There are some few basic core which are in place, very strongly, very firmly. वो I can feel that vibe. तो ये जो कहानी है ना कि स्मार्ट वर्क करते हैं, रील्स बनाते हैं, यू नो, आई मीन few things right, few things I don't know. I mean, I would like you to comment. What is your perspective? I'm not saying right or wrong, but what you have seen.
I may get a lot of trolling for this. But can this generation stop being so entitled? Oh my God, they want to work less and they want benefits of I don't know what. So we have about 40 odd people working. Just say almost 10 are like 30 in the factory and 10 in my office as a core team. And as luck would have it, all of them are between the ages of 22 to about 28. Oh my sweet Lord. सबसे ज़्यादा rotation hiring firing का वो 10 में होता है. Because मतलब हैरान कर देता है. You know, someone has come and worked with me for 3 days and said, "Ma'am, I can't do this." I said, "Why?" "It's too much hard work for me." And I'm like, I had to read that message 5 times, and then I went and spoke to my team members. I said, seriously? What does that even mean? You know, or we are like mentally tired. I need a mental day off. And I'm like, you need a mental day off? Like a mental health day off. And then someone came and asked me the other day, "Do you have days off for periods?" And I'm just looking at her like, what? Yeah, like I get that these are things, and I'm not saying that we're going to drill you to the ground, but जो एंटाइटलमेंट के साथ आते हैं ना कि मुश्किल से 2 साल काम किया है और बेनिफिट्स तो चाहिए जैसे सीईओ बैठे हैं मतलब यू नो एंड सो मेनी टाइम्स द पेट पी माय पेट डायलॉग इन द ऑफिस इज कि मुझे मुंडू बना के रख दिया साहब लोग तो तुम सब हो बिकॉज दे डोंट वांट टू डू द ग्रांट वर्क. I think this whole thing it's not even about hard work. No one is treating them like labor. But if you have to like pack a box, let's say when we have a huge number of orders, I'm like, you know, dabbe bana rahe. So I'm sitting there making the cartons, putting the labels because you need hands. And it's not about who's who at that point. But these guys, there is no way they're budging. They don't understand pitching in. This is not my job. They're so cut and dry. And I'm not being able to navigate it at all. So मेरा highest attrition उसी 10 में घूमता रहता है. And I was telling my team the other day, and they will laugh when they see this on the podcast, that we're going to write a book on the number of people who I've hired this year and the crazy things they've said to me, because my experience hiring Manilians should be a book because they have taught me so much. But the thing is just that कि मैम ये रील बनाओ, ये ऐप डाउनलोड करो, ये वीडियो चलाओ, मतलब इस ट्रैक को यूज करो. अच्छा, you don't know this AI, you don't know that AI. I hired a social media manager who did all her work of ChatGPT, and I'm like, bro, brain, just try using this. It's here for a reason. And ChatGPT is not everything. There's no answer to it. And I'm asking her, like, there are aspects of common sense is not common. Oh, this is hit home with me on another level.
Yeah.
Because they want to Google everything. They don't want to apply their mind even for a second.
Yeah.
And all those things you hear which are cliches.
No, but then Gauri, they say the answer to this is, if it is available, why not to? Why to waste time? So they come back and they tell me, you say time is precious, right? So why not to? So
I totally agree with you. I also use AI tools.
Yeah.
But at least build the base yourself.
Yeah.
And then go to the tool to refine it.
Yeah.
Or draft it for you.
Yeah.
That makes sense. But at least the idea should come from you.
Yeah.
If I navigated my journey through ChatGPT, I probably won't be sitting here.
Yeah.
AI is not telling you how to build a human connect.
Yeah.
So
True.
it is that. And what I really try with these kids at work is to build a sense of ownership.
Yeah.
It's an uphill battle.
Yeah.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
But, my factory guys were so happy when Shark Tank hit. And I'll tell you this experience. I walked into office and I thought, it'll be like, wow, and all. And they were all very quiet. Like, okay, हमने देखा episode नहीं देखा. शायद जब मेरे पास वो subscription नहीं है. And I was like, okay, a little hurt. Like, subscription ले लेते एक महीने के लिए क्या? The boss, we would have done it, But then they were sweet. They got a cake and everything. But I think we just have different expectations.
Yeah, maybe.
So I think the only way to get through to them is a sense of ownership.
Yeah.
Because if they don't feel it, and sometimes I have to vibe with them. So I do vibe with them.
Yeah.
And what's really shocking is that I realized that I relate to them. That means that all the shit that we went through as 80s kids still exists.
Yeah.
And they're going through the same pressures at home with parents and family. And I just sit and listen to their stories because this is the only place I know how to connect of my rebellious nature. And I'm shocked. I'm like 20 years हो गए और तुम लोग अभी भी उसी shit में हो. Like nothing has changed. And it's scary.
Yeah.
It is scary. So as cool as they may sound, I think the new
Human
generation
level.
has just become better at hiding it.
Yeah.
And trying to be indifferent, but deep down they're the same as us. They haven't changed much.
Yeah.
They're still kids.
Very
and
true.
That's my experience. The insecurities are the same.
Yeah.
Completely.
Very true. Yeah. I feel like asking you, Vineet, if you have questions, please.
No, I just remember one recent hiring that we did. Like this girl joined us, and within a week she said, I'm overwhelmed with work.
And let me tell you, and then he will continue
that
that we are very happy place.
Yeah.
Very happy. And we have youngsters in the team.
Yeah.
We love our team. And they love us. I'm super sure. They're more excited than us many times what we are supposed to do. But yes, I mean, still we get such people.
No,
and what
you do.
happened?
I'm saying the attrition is going to be.
So what happened?
So the thing is, like, I think that today's generation, not everyone, of course, there are some people who are very, very responsible and like, but yes, there is a sense of, I would say that entitlement, or like they have this notion that, smart work से हमें hard work बचा लेगा. मतलब हम hard work करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We can just do smart work. But actually, like even if you look at a lot of startups, I think that a lot of youngsters feel कि आज का game change हो गया है. And now you just need to raise money. आपका business चाहे loss में चल रहा है. You just need to.
Oh my God, this is a pet peeve of mine.
Yeah.
Let's raise funding. Let someone else pay for like everything, and we should just chill.
We should just chill.
That's the like I think like people don't understand today's generation. I think they will with time they'll understand. But
so I think they do bring good things to the table.
100%.
I use them largely to navigate through social media today. I try to understand from them what works, what doesn't work. They're good at that, but that's it. Let's stop there. If we are working on strategy, ops, they are not good at it.
Because it's not about that. It has to do with age and experience.
I
So
agree.
even when we were 22, 24, we were like that. So
but maybe you would
but
try
you know what?
to work on strategy and ops.
But you
like
know what?
all our projects in college used to be like MBA and all was all about strategy, marketing strategy,
Yeah.
go to market, this,
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
At least if I tell them, study the market competition and tell me. वो अभी वो सब नहीं है
नहीं है,
skills. They will want to just download some report from somewhere and say this is it. You know,
yeah.
not do
I think
it the way
Sadhana,
we did
that is the fundamental change in
Change.
how we operate and how they operate, because हमारी जनरेशन ने सबसे ज्यादा चेंज देखा है. लाइक कहाँ तो हमारे टाइम में फोन्स भी नहीं होते थे. लाइक
Correct. We had no
और
phones.
अब हम स्मार्टफोन्स पे आ
Yeah.
चुके हैं. एंड सिमिलरली लाइक हैविंग like a black and white TV to colored TV, then
Two
slim
channels,
TVs.
Doordarshan,
Yeah,
to
Doordarshan,
the
yeah.
cable wala,
So,
and then
exactly.
the dish.
Yeah. True.
I mean, we've
It was
really
correct,
gone through
yeah.
evolutions.
Yeah.
I was hiring someone today who was in college, and she said, "Oh, do you have a lot of pictures from college?" I said, "I had a Nokia 3310. He played
Yeah.
Snake."
Yes.
I don't have pictures from college.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. you know? And then I was like, oh my God, we have
Yeah.
changed. And in business as well, if
Yeah.
we didn't have that spirit,
Yeah.
I think so many of us would have become extinct.
Yeah.
Because to learn how to sell from newspaper ads to newspapers mein jo wo cutouts aate, wo leaflets that you used to put, that was
Yeah.
the only advertisement that used to happen.
Yeah.
From that to
Pamphlets, yeah.
Facebook. And then now from Facebook to Meta advertising, now to Instagram, and now TikTok and Snapchat. I can't keep track. There
Yeah.
is so much, and
Yeah,
Threads has
so
come
much.
out, and I'm like, how many things do I open?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm supposed to have subscribers on YouTube as well. Like, what? It's a lot. It's just a lot, and
Yeah.
I feel that it has value, but like I said,
Yeah.
there's no replacing old school.
Yeah.
So-
100%.
Yeah.
And I think मुझे तो beginning से I can relate to so many basic qualities what our parents taught us. And I'm getting reminded, in every answer that you're speaking. But मुझे ना आप कुछ एक आध tangible चीज़ें बताओ आप. What are the top 3 mistakes which bakery business founders or owners do? मतलब ये ना, it's not, this particular question is not about you. Absolutely not your
Top
story.
3 mistakes.
Top 3 mistakes कि करते ही करते हैं और नहीं करनी चाहिए उनको. You can take your time, think about it. Because this is something I want them to know कि बॉस जो कर रहे हो ना, ये तुम्हारे साथ peculiar नहीं हो रहे, सब करते हैं, please मत करो, मत करो. So top 3 things or top 2, whatever, or.
So the number one mistake a bakery makes is cut, copy, paste menu. The number one mistake. You don't differentiate yourself. Why? Everyone has the same pastry. Everyone's pastry case looks the same. Everyone's menu reads the same. Your prices are similar. I agree. It's very easy to go to a Zomato and Swiggy today and get 50 menus and understand what's working for them, or read reviews and build your menu according to that. But where is your differential offering? What are you bringing to the table?
Yeah.
Just opening a bakery is not success.
Yeah.
So firstly तो menu उनको लगता है कि consultant hire करो वो बता देगा, या chefs कर लो वो सारा काम करेगा. So you have not understood what is your core.
Yeah.
A bakery is not a core. It is an industry.
Yeah.
In that, what do you want to do? So if
Okay.
everybody is selling pineapple and Black Forest, how do I distinguish?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Very valid point though. Beautiful.
Yeah, I'm thinking of the second one.
Yeah. Or maybe they just do one mistake, so that's okay.
No, this is a big one. Okay, so a lot of bakeries, it's very hard to run a bakery. You have to understand that there are a lot of pockets to fill. सिर्फ केक खाने के लिए नहीं आते हैं. A lot of people think bakery is just a takeaway counter. I think you should follow the evolution. Bakeries actually work better as cafes.
Yeah.
So if you have your own bakery that provides all the ingredients for your cafe, whether it's just simple sandwiches, a nice croissant, and a good coffee machine, you can double your revenue. And you can get more revenue per square foot of your space. Because
So if they're into retail, but if somebody is
Like a cloud
home
kitchen.
baker or a cloud kitchen, then they don't have this issue.
So I do this course called the Business of Baking, and this is there are 3 things I ask every baker to do. So if you guys are listening, this is for free.
Yeah.
Okay, the how, the why, and the what.
Yeah.
So first
Economics.
is, why do you want to do what you want to do? why do you want to open a bakery? Why
Yeah.
do you want a cloud kitchen? What is your why?
Yeah.
हमें पता है. अब मुझे कोई बोले कि why is because I want to earn money. I said, bro, everybody wants to earn
Yeah.
money. No one is opening a charity.
Yeah.
But why do you want to do this?
Yeah.
What is your core?
Yeah.
So, for example, my core was I want to do better product. I want to create value.
Yeah.
But what is your core? Because that core will seep into everything that you do.
Yeah.
So defining your why is extremely important. Okay. Who? So who is like your ideal customer?
Yeah.
Who is your target? All of India is not your target.
Yeah.
All your neighborhood is not your target.
Yeah.
मैं बिल्डिंग में हूँ तो पूरी बिल्डिंग मेरी टारगेट है. You know, lot of people start business कि हाँ मैं बिल्डिंग में हूँ, 300 अपार्टमेंट है, कोई ना कोई तो खरीद लेगा, बिजनेस चल
Yeah,
जाएगा.
yeah.
No,
That's
that is
wrong.
not a business.
Yeah.
That is a hobby.
Yeah.
That is luck by chance.
Yeah.
Right? उसी बिल्डिंग में there'll be 50 more bakers.
Yeah.
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 No, in advertising we say this. If you want to speak to everybody, you end up speaking to nobody.
Yeah.
So who is your TG? So we've done the how.
And why?
No, we've done the why and the
Who.
So how? How are you going to add value?
Yeah.
So how are you going to complete your why?
Yeah.
What is the link? So if these three are absolutely clear, and believe me, they are such hard questions to answer.
Yeah.
I do a 5-day
Yeah.
class
Yeah.
and it takes them 8 hours to answer these 3 questions. Because first you will only get what is on the surface.
Yeah.
I want to give good quality products. मैंने कहा कौन सा baker बोलता है कि मेरा quality is, my product is not good quality.
Yeah.
We only use premium ingredients. I said, bro, everybody says we use premium ingredients. How are you differentiating yourself? You know,
Yeah.
I want financial freedom. I said, everybody wants financial freedom. So do you really have to scratch and get down to why, like your core? And it's really deeply personal.
Yeah.
And it'll be shocking that when they tap it, so many of them have cried because
Yeah,
they
yeah,
didn't
yeah.
realize where it was coming from. Understanding where it comes from is very important. And it could just be a small childhood experience. It could be something that someone in their family said to them, or it could be anything, a dining experience. But that transitions to excellent businesses. And once they figured that out, it's a sure shot. I can write it, sign it. You are going to be 100% successful if you honestly get these 3 points right.
Okay. Great. That is nice.
Yeah, I understand. One more thing, like we were just talking, and you were telling us that US is 90% of your business right now. So for US, do you have like a different marketing strategy, like this? Like building your personal brand I guess is mainly for India.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For US, what's your
Oh
marketing?
my God, it was so different. It was again, so US happened because I could realize that post-COVID India was going to be in recession and depleted out. And ये economy ये industry cakes इतना limelight में आ गए थे ना कि सबको इसी में घुसना था. तो I was like बहुत भसड़ होने वाली है, सब घुसने वाले हैं, बहुत brands निकलेंगे which will shut down by in another, like so many brands came and shut,
Yeah.
so many bakeries came and shut because it's not easy. But when I realized the US is where I wanted to go. So I just got a call one day from Amazon US and they said, would you like to enroll? And it was one of those typical onboarding teams who don't know anything about your industry or business. Like this category didn't exist on Amazon.com
Wow.
from India.
Oh.
And nobody in Amazon...
The product category.
The product category does not exist. So I am the only exporter from India in this category. There is
Wow.
nobody else.
Wow.
So I didn't know. I was like, okay, we'll sell. Best bet, safest bet, Amazon. Fine. Nobody in Amazon onboarding team wanted to take my account because they're like, she's going to sell sprinkles to the Americans? Like, how is this going to work? You know? We can, and typical again, you live in that box, right? Ki hum
Yeah.
spices or
Yeah,
Ayurveda
किले जाने जाते
and
हैं.
handicrafts and all of this. And I was like, hold on, like, let's try this out.
Yeah.
And I got into it, but then I didn't know how to navigate. There was no Chef Gauri there.
Yeah.
Especially, and also me being Indian will probably go against me,
Yeah.
not for me
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah.
And we don't have the best reputation globally when it comes to food.
Yes.
And our ethics
Yeah.
in food.
Yeah.
And our compliances.
Yeah.
Right? And I said the only thing that I can speak is the product. So I was good at product. I'm very good at how the product looks, how it looks like an international product. It always has. It never had a desi touch to it. But it's just your product. It's just that picture on Amazon and your description, and that's it. And that's how you go.
Yeah.
And that's how you start selling. So it's a new market. You have to understand what the customer is like. They are not price sensitive. They are quality conscious.
Yeah.
As hell. There is a barricade, of course, that you won't go beyond a certain amount. But unka normal is luxury price for us.
Yeah.
We are earning in dollars. But then everybody's like, you're earning in dollars, तो पैसे छप्पड़ फाड़ के गिरे, ऐसे
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं
नहीं
होता है. You spend a bomb on marketing in the first year.
Yeah.
US,
Amazon.
On Amazon.
Yeah.
Amazon anyway takes a 30% cut on commission
Yeah.
just for everything.
True.
Yeah.
Plus, everything above that is your marketing and your shipping costs from India to there. Plus your import duties. So you, even though it sounds glamorous to sell in dollars, there's a lot of hidden costs.
Yes.
Amazon, the business in US is a volume-based business. So, pehla fundamental, you have to be very clear. Ki, why am I doing this business? I am doing this business because America will give me the volumes that India can never give me.
Yeah. For your category.
For my category.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's a staple for them. It's
Yeah.
aloo pyaz. It comes
Yeah.
in there. It comes with their groceries.
Yeah.
Right? How am I doing this? I'm going to put up my pictures. I'm going to download search terms and keywords, and I'm going to really understand what works for them.
Yeah.
So I'm going to see who the competition is, what is the price point, and I'm going to compete with them.
Yeah.
But how do I differentiate myself?
Yeah.
So everybody in the US is very famous for bulk.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Everything
Yeah.
is
Yeah,
big,
yeah.
larger than
Yeah.
life. इतने बड़े sprinkle
Yeah.
bottles. like, क्या कर रहे हो यार? So I did a pack of 5. So what I said is, there has to be a market that wants an assortment
Yeah.
and not big bottles of everything. So I did 2 things. One, I did an assortment of 5 sprinkle bottles in one pack.
Yeah.
So a 100-gram pack, which is now a 140-gram pack. I'll tell you the reason later. For this pack of 5. And the second thing I did was I added a lot of hand-cut sugar decoratives. So like hearts and alphabets and like, so if there's a baby shower thing, you'll have rattles and you have like a onesie and you have a baby bottle. Didn't exist, doesn't exist. So I differentiated. Kya fayda utha? India mein labor is cheap. I found people who can make those cutters for me, so I actually design them and then I get them 3D printed, and so I did that effort to figure it out. So I added value and I'm charging the same price or a little bit more. So in the US also, the crazy thing is I'm premium luxury.
Yeah.
I'm not mass.
Yeah.
I'm not competing with Walmart.
Yeah.
I have my own market.
Wow.
So understanding that was very important.
Yeah.
And then third, you spend on marketing.
Yeah.
And my rule was this, that I will spend till break even.
Yeah.
And in the first year, you actually end up spending almost 60% on marketing.
Yeah.
And the other thing about US is you get one shot only. अगर या तो छक्का है या out हो.
Yeah.
There is no second chance.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you get bad reviews, either Amazon will shut you down, or your stock you'll have to just dilute and go. So the US customer, like I said, quality conscious. Your product has to perform year on year, month on month. Do you know that Amazon has such a strict policy that if they get 2 or 3 violations on a product,
Yeah.
they will shut your listing down.
Yes.
If your product is not up to quality standards and customer has complained, FDA can be notified, which will notify the customs, and you'll be shut down at the port. Your goods are not entering the country. So it's damn serious, the
Yeah.
business there.
Yeah.
And I love how regulated it is.
Yeah.
I love it because that only speaks to my product. Ki I make something that is FDA compliant.
Yeah.
I'm supplying to millions of Americans and I meet every health check, safety standard for
Wow.
this product.
Lovely.
और वैलिडेशन क्या चाहिए था? डर बहुत लगा था when it went. Trust me, I was damn scared because you know you've done your best, but
Yeah.
you don't know what that guy has in mind.
Yeah.
और वो किस चीज पे रोक सकता है, टोक सकता है. Everything's out of your control.
Yeah.
And once the products have left my factory, whether they sell or they don't sell, it's gone.
It's gone.
That's money out the door. There's nothing I can do about it. It's not coming back.
Yeah.
So there are so many risks to it. But
I'm keen on knowing why 100 and 140. You said you'll tell me.
So, 100, acha, after 6 months of entering into this market with my unique product, I started getting copied by the big guys.
Oh.
Okay. And that was crazy. So, we were doing about 3.5 ounces for about $15. And they started doing much more quantity because they were locally there. So, now we've changed the same pack to a 5-ounce pack for the same price. So we are doubling on our volume. And now we're playing the price game. So अब मेरे को 1.5 साल बाद मैंने जमा दिए अपने ना क्या कहते हैं, my claws are in now. And now I'm playing, I have enough traction to play the volume game with them and to beat them on price. Because पहले वो $1-2 का बहुत फर्क पड़ता है because your volumes were not high.
Yeah.
So when I started in the first month, it was around $2,000-3,000 a month. Today we do $150,000 a month. If you convert those numbers to Indian, it's crazy.
Yeah.
And the target, and the best part is now Amazon global team gives me targets.
Yeah.
कि भाई इस साल तो तुम्हें 5 million 10 million करना है, तुम कहाँ बैठे हो? So when you're doing those numbers, even 50 cents on a product is a lot of money.
Yeah.
Because you're moving a lot of product.
Yes.
So I'm willing to fight for that 50 cents. And उसके लिए अगर मुझे 10 ग्राम 20 ग्राम एक्स्ट्रा देना ना, because cost of product is nothing.
Yeah.
Give it. Create the value और value बनाओ.
Correct.
There's a point, and this is a great marketing thing that people should know. रेट गिराने से ब्रांड नहीं बनता है, वैल्यू बढ़ाने से ब्रांड बनता
Oh, love it. Repeat it.
है. रेट गिराने से ब्रांड नहीं बनता है, वैल्यू बढ़ाने से ब्रांड बनता
Correct.
है.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I had that greed कि यार मैं 40 ग्राम एक्स्ट्रा दे रही हूँ, why should I not charge $2 more?
Yeah.
And then I was like, if I don't charge those $2, I can probably sell 10,000 units.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
But if I charge those $2, I'll be selling the same.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll still be fighting. It'll still be
Lovely.
more expensive.
Yeah.
My cost of marketing has to go down. So within the first year to the second year, my cost of marketing is down to 30%.
Wow.
We halved it. And this year we want to get it down to 20 to 25%.
In fact, that's my question, because you said when you started in US Amazon, 60% went into marketing.
Yeah.
And Amazon is like that. Amazon is very search driven, very marketing driven, very
Correct.
product driven.
Correct.
But now, after so many years, are you at a position where, that was my question, that if you stop marketing, and I mean, do you see people repeat
Yeah.
searching for your product, your brand? Is that something you have
So I'm
achieved?
going to answer it in one sentence.
Please.
Confect is a very expensive search term to buy today on Amazon.com.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Yeah. So my competitors now bid on Confect as a search term.
Lovely.
It's
So
been
people
quite
are
a ride.
searching for your brand name.
Yeah,
That's great.
Yeah, and it's expensive. I don't bid on it anymore. It's too expensive for me to bid on it. It's cheaper for me to bid on my competitors, and it was such a moment of pride. I couldn't believe it.
Wow.
Yeah.
So like being successful on Amazon, one part is that you've cracked the correct product for that market. That's
Yeah.
one thing. But also I know that like you have to understand Amazon, because that's in itself,
Yeah.
it's a different.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Like
so
the
it's
Amazon India business and the US business, it's completely different companies.
Yeah.
It's completely
And
different.
also like there's a
entities.
learning curve to sell on Amazon successfully.
Huge
Yeah,
learning curve.
yeah.
Huge.
Yeah.
And again, there is no shortcut to success.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I have gone through these agencies that they tell
Yeah.
you. I've gone through account managers.
Yeah.
It doesn't work till you
Yeah.
sit
Yeah.
and you figure it
Yeah.
out yourself.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today, there is nobody who can beat me on my Amazon skills.
Wow.
Literally. Like
Ah.
Amazon.com has said, please come any day that you want and train the trainers. Because
Arre, wah. That's
I know how to
amazing.
navigate it that
Wow.
well now.
Yeah.
And it's a learning experience. You
Yeah.
will lose some, you will win some.
Yeah.
जब तक फटका नहीं पड़ेगा, you won't get back up.
Yeah.
Correct.
And those fatkas are damn important.
Yeah.
Don't take them on your ego.
Yeah.
They're good for your growth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See,
Lovely.
And do you
pearl of
also
wisdom.
sell from your website, like
Yeah.
in US also?
In US, we've just taken our website.
Oh.
It'll be going live right now. It diverts traffic to Amazon, but very soon we'll be doing our own fulfillment.
Oh, wow.
And we're trademarked in 3 continents now. That was the
Wow,
biggest
that's
thing
so
to do
good. Wow.
because get trademarked is very
Yeah,
important.
very
Again,
good.
US, very
Very,
important.
Yeah.
and tough also.
Yeah.
It's not
And
easy.
very tough. It
Yeah.
takes almost a year and a half. It costs quite a bit of money. But वो investment future की है. 10 साल तक मेरे को कोई touch नहीं कर सकता. But US में, UK में ये है. If you get a copyright infringement, they shut you down.
Yeah.
You can be as many $1 million का business. So it's like an insurance policy. And this is something that most businesses don't do.
Yeah.
It's very important because today, if Confect is a keyword, I have spent thousands of dollars to get to this point.
Yes.
So for me to shut that down and rebuild, बोलते हैं ना नया brand खोल लेंगे, नया account बना देंगे. No, guys, you start from scratch again.
Yeah.
So you don't want to lose that trajectory like at all.
Yeah. I'm curious to know now about the Indian market because that was
I wanted to talk about that.
because वो बहुत ज़्यादा Shark Tank पे बात भी हुआ.
Yeah,
You know, the US, the India.
yeah.
Anyways, not getting into that episode. Here I want to know because this year, as you said also on the episode, you want to focus on Indian market.
Yeah.
What's the focus? Is it your distribution channel? Is it your website? Is it the Amazon India? What? How are you planning? And again, what are the mistakes that you have done and you feel like, यार ये मैंने किया है, तुम लोग नहीं करो. You know, what are those things for Indian market? It's very different from US.
I'm going to give you guys the biggest pearl of wisdom. Distributors do not make your brand. They are product pushers. तो आपको अगर ब्रांड बनाना है तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क तो सेकेंडरी है. पहले ब्रांड बनाओ बिकॉज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर किसी का नहीं होता, वो लॉयल नहीं है. वो 5-10 रुपए के लिए पलटी मारेगा एंड ही कीप निचोड़िंग यू, स्कीम दे दो मैम और डिस्काउंट दे दो. एंड झूठ भी कितना बोलते हैं, झूठ तो सच तो निकलता नहीं, झूठ ही निकलता है. आई हैव रियलाइज दिस ऑल्सो. एंड दे ऑलवेज प्ले यू कि सामने वाला इतने में दे रहे हैं, यू नो दिस प्राइस वॉज. सो आई फेल्ट कि मेरा ना बहुत सारा एनर्जी वॉज गोइंग इन पीपल मैनेजमेंट. इनसे बातें करो, इनकी ईगो मसाज करो, इनके वाहियात क्वेश्चंस के जवाब दो. एंड आई नो दैट मे साउंड लिटिल एरोगेंट बट इट्स ट्रू बिकॉज आई हैव बीन ड्रिल्ड डाउन एंड आई रियलाइज हाउ मच ऑफ माय एनर्जी वेंट देयर. बातें बड़ी बड़ी, काम इतना छोटा, ये कर देंगे वो कर देंगे, कुछ नहीं. यू नो एनीवेयर दैट दे हैड टू सेल, यू रियलाइज कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को मार्जिन भी मुंह फाड़ के मांगते हैं. उसके बाद प्रोडक्ट अप्रूवल के लिए भी आप आओ, आप शेफ भेजो, ट्रायल्स पे जाओ, मतलब खुद तो कुछ नहीं करना. तब व्हाई यू टेकिंग द 30-40% मार्जिन फॉर व्हाट? You do the work, na?
Yeah.
Why are you asking the brand to do?
Correct.
And brands do it today. Brands ने इतना सर पे चढ़ा के रखा हुआ है कि कट भी देना है, उसके बाद बोल रहे हैं हम शेफ भी दे देंगे, एक हेल्पर भी दे देंगे. हमने क्या तमाशा चल रहा है? Not the way business is done. He's not earning his keep. So that doesn't make any sense to me. Plus I'm mollycoddling these grown ass men for what? And just because I talk to them like आधी भसड़ तो वहाँ की, इस मैम से बात कैसे करूँ? You know, they're very uncomfortable talking to me. खुल के बात नहीं करते. So this was one big mistake that I made. I decided, मुझे लगा कि मैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के साथ ही जाऊँगी तब ब्रांड बनेगा. So I learned the hard way that that's not the right way. If you want to build a brand, the only place you should actually start is online. Because you get full freedom to project your way the way you want. How do you know distributor तुम्हारे brand के बारे में सही चीज बोल रहा है customer? वो तो बोलेगा 20 रुपए सस्ता है ले लो. That's not what your positioning is. What is your positioning? So online is very very important. India, I'm back this year. I'm waiting to be back. I've waited. I've taken 2 years off, and when I took those 2 years off, I told everyone I am focusing on the US. I'll be back. मैं कभी गई नहीं, बट आई वाज लाइक ये अपना प्राइस वॉर कर लो, उसके बाद मैं आ जाऊंगी, देखते कौन बचेगा खिलाड़ी मैदान में. आई एम बैक, यू नो. एंड वी ऑलवेज स्टूड फॉर क्वालिटी. सो व्हेन दिस प्राइस war was happening, I wanted to be that Johnson and not the Patanjali. I was very clear. So I'm not getting into that mess. So now that the carnage is over, my recommendation is when you go D2C, from D2C the best way to pivot is to get into modern trade. It's a very tough thing to do. But it's a huge market. Now, इसके पीछे भी एक reason है. Distributors are there. They will get you into all the bakeries. लोग बोलते हैं होरेका करो, B2B करो. सच ये बताऊं कि मेरे product के लायक जो bakeries हैं, they're probably 1% from the rest of the bakeries. The largest bakery market in India is using substandard products. It's true. Sad, but true. Premix use कर रहे हैं, non-dairy use कर रहे हैं, extremely price sensitive because they're selling also cheap, right? Not my client. I'm already working with the top end and I know how much business they're able to give me. It's not sizable. It's okay because I sell cake decoratives, right? So like I work with Theo Brahma, I work with Theo's, I work with Maxim's, Defense Bakery. They're the heritage guys who use the good stuff. And they use move a lot of product. But how much of mine do they really use? You know, fondant and stuff. Who uses my product the most? The home bakers and the moms. So everybody's like, ma'am, आपको तो business करना नहीं आता है, आप तो बेकरियों के पीछे भागो. अब आप बेकरी से पीछे भागो तो वहाँ का परचेज मैनेजर बोलेगा हर किलो पे 10 रुपए मुझे दो. Again, I'm just like, what is this? You know, why is it not clean? I don't think I'm built that way, honestly. And these are some of my shortcomings personally. So I'm very happy Namita is there because she'll help me navigate this mess. And I'm sure I'll be able to. Because now I'm a brand. So it'll be very easy for me to build it. But my focus, I always told you, was moms and home bakers. And ये किसी ने नहीं सोचा, सारे brands उन्हीं बेकरियों के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, क्योंकि बेकरीज भी तो इतनी है ना,
इतनी
कितनी
है,
बेकरीज
हाँ.
हैं, ब्रांड्स इतने सारे हो गए, दे ऑल अंडरकटिंग ईच अदर टू get business from that bakery. But no one is thinking about the fact that 50% of the population of India is women. And that gives me a 50 crore market
Wow.
of people who will likely buy my product.
Yeah.
So my aim is D2C, moms, homemakers and home bakers.
So selling through your website looks
Through
like.
my website, through quick commerce
Yeah.
and through modern trade. These
Yeah.
three would be the perfect combination to enter that market. Now imagine if there are 50 crore women and let's say even 10% buy one product of mine. How much product is that?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
huge.
Huge, yeah.
Yeah.
It's huge.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why would I run after the bakeries?
What are the plans for Indian Amazon?
What about it?
I mean, are you going to go there or
We're
no?
already on Amazon India.
Ah,
Okay.
doing business?
अच्छे से निचोड़ लिया है.
अच्छा.
Like 5 साल से हैं.
Oh.
And mostly on the bestseller all the time.
Ah.
Also, we're on the bestseller on all the global Amazons we're on.
Lovely.
So, but I think this is the way to go if you want to build a brand. And largely D2C makes sense. But मेरे business में only D2C doesn't work.
Yeah.
So,
It
quick
has to be,
commerce is
yeah.
huge. Huge. Because
You
the
are
other
on
thing,
quick commerce now?
I'm on quick commerce. I'm on Swiggy and Instamart. Across India, all
Yeah.
stores now.
Instamart and Blinkit. No.
Not Blinkit, just
Only-
Instamart right
Yeah.
now. I'm also in Reliance Jio stores.
Wow.
So the thing is, kuch meetha ho jaye is a very impulse sort of a thing.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not planned
Yeah.
largely unless
Yeah,
it's a
yeah,
birthday
yeah, yeah,
celebration.
yeah, yeah.
So it's very important to realize that
हाँ, QSR चाहिए.
it's available.
Yeah.
ये मुझे किसी कस्टमर ने बताया
Yeah.
कि मेरे को लास्ट मिनट ऑर्डर आ गया, अब मेरे पास प्रोडक्ट नहीं है.
Yeah.
So I'm like, स्टॉक रखो. दे लाइक कितना रखे, बिकॉज द रेंज इन बेकरी यू कैन बाय, देयर इज नो एंड टू डेकोरेशंस.
Yeah.
हाउ मच डू यू बाय, व्हाट डू यू बाय? So then they said, why are you not available on quick commerce?
Yeah.
Because we need it.
Yeah.
So we made sure now we're available on quick commerce.
Lovely.
So they can cater to last minute orders, and over 60% orders are last minute,
Yeah.
which is crazy.
Yes.
And that's where you need to navigate. वो distributor भी नहीं fulfill करेगा.
Yeah.
Only quick commerce and modern
Yeah,
trade will do it for you
बिल्कुल,
today.
बिल्कुल.
No one else.
Yeah.
And it's an impulse buy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So as beautiful as it looks in a grocery store shelf will make you want to buy it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I
this
think
year
even, yeah.
we're pivoting more to that. I'm
Yeah.
planning to come out with some nice DIY kits
Yeah.
for moms, Mother's Day, Father's Day.
You're adding all that.
I'm adding all of that. I want the complete
I'm
experience.
realizing you're rare, one of those rare guests that we have जिनसे हम Shark Tank का question ही नहीं पूछते because we just loved speaking everything else about
Yeah,
Shark
actually,
Tank.
actually.
You know,
Thank you.
so quick two things maybe.
Okay.
On now that has to go to Shark Tank because that is why that is the thing that we should be. पैसे आ गए हैं. What are the plans? Because but I think you answered many times. It's
Yeah.
the India. The focus
Yeah,
is India.
yeah, 100%.
So ठीक है and
I'm waiting to come and say I told you so.
है ना?
आगे वापस.
One more question is that like besides money, like like getting, like people say that there's a lot of value in getting a shark as an investor.
Yeah.
Like
What's your
what are your
experience?
thoughts on
Yeah.
that? Have you?
I don't know if I would say getting a shark. I would say getting the right shark. So before getting into the tank, I was very clear who I wanted. I only wanted Namita.
Wow.
I
You
didn't
got-
want anyone
you
else.
got-
I was clear. मुझे नहीं चाहिए था क्योंकि I told you vibe matters
Yeah.
and vision matters.
Yeah.
It's not that I've not been offered funding before. I have. But I've always refused because either they were too greedy or they didn't share the vision. The minute I entered the tank, Namita understood the product in a second. Before I could even start my pitch, she knew exactly what it was. And she went through that phase of trying to find product and not getting it in India and buying it. So she used to go to the US, buy it and bring it back so she
Yeah.
could bake with her boys. And she said two things. Ek to, I had to carry it back. But I loved that so much that I brought it. Second, it was the best time I spent with my kids.
Yeah.
And I'll always be thankful to that because she's also full-time working.
Yeah.
Right? So these are two things that she understood. And she said, what Gauri's saying is absolutely right.
Yeah.
So unless you go through those motions, you really don't get what I'm all about.
Yeah.
And then when I got to meet her fam, it just cemented it even more. Like the first thing her husband said to me, thank God we won't have to buy and bring those back anymore. I'll have empty suitcases now, So I think the right person who really understands who you're... So she understands everything, na? She is my target market.
Yeah.
So she can, who better than her? She
Yeah.
will know how to navigate and how to get the brand going.
True.
The roadmap.
True.
She'll know कौन connect है और कहाँ connect है और कैसे बेचना है.
Lovely.
Yeah.
This is awesome. So I always become the person wrapping up the episode. I think I just loved it. I completely
Yeah,
loved
actually,
it.
yeah.
It was so awesome and so many things. I think every answer had so many real practical steps that people should take.
Yeah.
And why you're here, because what all you have done right or wrong, the mistakes. I think very transparent conversation. I love doing such conversations.
Yeah, actually.
And
I think there's a lot of common sense that has
Yeah.
gone into your business which people don't apply.
Yeah.
because,
Common sense is not common.
it's not common, yeah.
Yeah.
तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है और मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि इस एपिसोड को जो जहाँ भी सुन रहा हो, द आइडिया इज भाई या बहन जो भी है भाई जो भी सुना है, आई थिंक द मंत्र इज रोल आउट, टेक एक्शंस, डोंट फियर दैट यू विल डू मिस्टेक, गलती करो, उठो and take charge.
Yeah.
You know, take charge. And that is it.
Yeah.
And we completely loved it.
And it's, I want to say one thing: don't go with the flow. Stop the flow.
Oh.
Make your own path.
ये लो,
Yeah, don't
ये
go
एक नई लाइन आ गई है. She's good in one-liners, huh? I must say that. So हम जब कभी भी copywriting के headline
And
में
one more
फंसेंगे,
thing which is like we didn't discuss in the podcast, I think her dreams and her manifestations, like that's another
Yeah.
thing that we
Yeah.
didn't discuss in the
Yeah.
podcast. But yes, I really, I think that's
I
your
think we
biggest
should do
strength.
one more episode
Yeah.
with you.
Yeah,
This is
Fine.
amazing.
And then when I get my pink and white stripe
है ना?
private jet, we'll go together.
Yeah,
But
sure.
thank you
Promise.
so much, Gauri,
Most
that you're
welcome.
here,
Thank you.
and I hope that you enjoyed the entire conversation.
I loved it. I don't know where the time flew, and I'm so happy. And I hope the people watching this realize how much insight you've gotten, and everything is true. Like
Yeah.
everything I said
Yeah.
is the reason I'm sitting here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank
So
you.
good.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you,
Yes.
Gauri. Thank you.